Hello, my friends. We welcome you to the 15th day of our 40-day spiritual regimen and revival. Our snack for today comes from James chapter 1, verse 17. For every good gift and every perfect gift is from above, and cometh down from the Father of lights, with whom is no variableness, neither shadow of turning. I said to God this evening, Lord, I have bitten off more than I can chew with this snack time with Pastor Matt. And he said, let me bite my word. Let me chew my word. Is anything too hard for the Lord? And obviously the answer is nothing is too hard for the Lord. So he said, James 1:17. Then he asked me the question, what is one of the special sayings that you say when you're in the pulpit? And I thought, and I came, when I think of the goodness of Jesus and all that he's done for me, my soul cries out, hallelujah! I thank God for saving me. And he said, James chapter 1, verse 17 is summed up in that statement that you said. When I think of the goodness of Jesus and all that he's done for me, what are some of the things that Jesus has done for me? He healed my body. He put food on my table. He put money in my pocket. He woke me up this morning and started me on my way. And God says, those are good gifts. And they came directly from me. And then it says, my soul cries out, hallelujah, I thank God for saving me. Then he said, me saving you is the perfect gift. And then he said, quote John 3:16, and I said, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. And God said, that's a perfect gift. Every good and perfect gift comes from above, and cometh down from the Father of lights, with whom there is no variableness, neither shadow of turning. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow, our 16th day of our 40-day spiritual regimen and revival, with another snack time with Pastor Mac. Later.